Hi there! You're probably looking to learn how to make a paper spiderweb for Halloween decorations. We'll need scissors, a simple pencil, and a rectangular piece of paper. Fold the short side of the paper over to meet the long side. Press down with your fingers where the paper is folded. Cut off the rectangle on the right side along the fold. We won't need that part. Place the triangle with the long side facing you. Put your finger in the center of the long side of the triangle. Fold the left corner over to the right corner. Press down where the paper is folded. Fold the top corner down to the right corner. And press it with your fingers where it bent. Flip the triangle on the table. The long side should now be on the right. Fold the bottom left side of the triangle over to the long right side. Press the paper along the fold. Now, using scissors, start cutting along the top edge, but leave a bit of paper at the end. Draw a spiderweb pattern. Follow my moves. Cut the paper along the drawn lines. Carefully pull the edges apart, and we'll get a beautiful spiderweb. Place something heavy on top of the spiderweb for a while to flatten it out. Give a like and subscribe to the channel. I wish you an unforgettable Halloween party.